What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Brandon coming to you guys with a brand new video. Today is the day after Christmas, and I hope you guys had a good Christmas. I had a very good Christmas, spent a lot of time with family, just got to relax, sit back, and just live life. But LASFIT sent us some a little gift, so we're gonna put these on. But if you guys don't know who LASFIT is, they make like LED lights, whether they're headlights or they're like interior lights. I know for the 10 gen community, these are very much needed because I've never had myself. I've never had nice interior lights on the inside of my cars, which I don't know if you guys can really see. Let me see if I can pull up the brightness a little bit. I've never had nice interior lighting in here. I've always had the stock yellow lights, and I know these are gonna make a big difference. There's a lot of people that rock these, so I know these are gonna make a big difference. So I'm excited to put these on and get rid of these ugly, stupid yellow ones. So let's get started on that. So in order to do that, you will need to pop these out. You'll need a either a pry tool, and I know I've seen people do it with like a flathead screwdriver, but I think I'm gonna do it with a pry tool. So let me go. I'm gonna see if I have a pry tool inside. So I could be wrong, but I believe they sent me interior lights and reverse lights. I'm gonna open it up here. Or if you guys are interested in getting your guys self a set, I definitely do recommend it. You guys can use Dagger.10 for 10% off at the checkout. Again, that's Dagger.10 for 10% off. So let's see here. I got these, which I believe these are for the inside. I think these are the same thing, right? Yeah, I think these are for the inside. So that's gonna be these two, the dome light, and then the trunk setup, I believe, which is the same thing. And then these two are gonna be for the reverse. So when I reverse, it's not like a very weird white. It's a very bright white. So I'm excited. Let's start by taking this on. I have my little pry tool here, so we're gonna see how we're gonna pry this open together as a team here. I think I've only done this about once, and that was not in my car. So we're gonna figure this out. So I believe you have to pull on this and then put the pry tool in there at the same time. So you have to like push it in and then put the pry tool in, and then I think it just pops out. So we're gonna try that now. Fit this in, and easy peasy. So we got that one out. This might be a little hot. Nope. Oh, yep, it's super hot. I barely had the car on for that long, but it's hot. It is hot. So we're just gonna set this aside in here. We're gonna open these ones, which are the LT10s. If you guys look on the back of it, it says the LT10s there. You guys can scan it. I wonder if you can scan that if it pops up automatically. That'd be pretty cool. But the interior lights are gonna be going in here. So I think this is how you just do it, right? You just stick it in there. Boom, baby! Look at that. Come on, player. What you thought this was? Bada bing, bada boom. Look at. So I got stock. Well, I got a little bit of comparison. I have the LASFIT one here and the OEM one here. Look how much brighter that just looks. You can't really tell because the cover's not on it, but in person that's so much brighter. Let me put the cover back on it, and then I can show you guys the difference between them. Boom! Look at that. So much brighter. You got the OEM one and then the LASFIT. Just look at that, baby. Oh my god, I can see the light. You can't really tell because obviously the light's it's still daytime. But we're gonna put the other one in now. Get rid of this funky one. So let's take this one out. So I got the other one out. As you can tell, there's no bulb there. What you want to do is pretty much when you get this one out, you just pretty much just want to go yeah yeet and just throw it over there, and then you're gonna put your new one in. Duh, dude, that's what you want to do. Tutorial DIY. Alright, I had to run inside for a new battery, but back to it now. Why does it look like that? Moving on to the dome light. In order to do this one, what you really want to do is you want to get under it. You want to get like in between the plastic and the actual thingy-majiggy. You don't want to go on this side because you're going to end up ripping it. So you kind of want to try to pull in this way and then just let it come out, and then it'll slide out. So you want to make sure this is off, obviously, and then we're going to go from there. So I will show you. All I did was pretty much just put this in there, which is like so. Oh, and then yeah, it'll just fall out, trust me. The same thing as the last. You're gonna take the whole bulb out, put the new bulb in. So we're gonna grab this one, which I hope it isn't hot. It isn't. You just want to pull it right out, just like so. You just pull it out that way, comes right out. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go wee. Cause you don't need that anymore. You got a LASFIT, brother. Ignore all the cups on the floor. Gonna grab your new one. Just gonna push it in like so. I can get it in there. Boom. Just want to put it in there just like that. It's kind of hard to record this video because everything's just so micro everything, but once you turn it on, boom. So now you want to find your cover that you dropped, because you dropped it. Like that. Then you want to put it just like that. It's in. Boom, white light. Easy peasy. Pretty install. Pretty easy install. Now we're gonna move on to the back over here. Okay, so the next spot we're going is gonna be right here. So when you kind of open up your trunk, you're gonna see it right there. So what you're gonna do is you want to put it in here. I'm gonna try to do it with you guys on here too. Alright, what you really want to do is you want to kind of put it in here, and then you just want to push it this way, just like that. It's out. Kind of want to slither it out a little bit. And it's still gonna be on. It's gonna be hot. So what you want to kind of do, let's see if I can teach you guys this way. Kind of look inside. There's a little clip that kind of clings onto it. You want to press that clip down, from what I was told, just like that. It's hot. Just like that, it's out. Then you want to grab this, just yeet it. It's gonna go out like so. Probably should turn the battery off for this one. Make sure it doesn't swiggle. Turn it over. Pop back in. White light. Just like that. Easy peasy. Okay. So moving on to the rear tail light, which is the last set that they sent me. Pretty easy to take them off. I mean, you just want to grab the 210s here, and then you're gonna kind of put a pry tool in there and just pry it out that way. And it should be easy peasy. So we're gonna get moving on that right now. And by the way, it's an 8mm, in case you guys were wondering. I might have said that already. I don't know. Ugh, bunch of spideys. So the one that you're mainly gonna want to change out is gonna be the third one. I don't know if I can't really point it out too hard. It's gonna be this one right here. What is that? A spider? 2 of 2. Salvage title maybe? But yeah, we want to change out that one, so let's get changing that. Just want to show you guys the difference. Stock one, LASFIT. I'm gonna yeet that over there. What I just showed you guys was a test. Let's see here. Now we're just putting all the stupid tail lights back together. Pretty easy though, not super hard. Pretty easy, straightforward install. I mean, if you really don't have a pry tool, it just makes it 10 times harder. So I recommend getting a pry tool. You can find these on eBay or your local AutoZone or whatever. But got them out. All the new ones in. Let me show you guys one more time. These ones I'm really excited about because when I vlog sometimes at night, I don't get to vlog in the car because of how jank it all is. Which is pretty dope. Like I said, normally when I vlog at night, it makes it kind of hard to see because these are not in there, but that just makes it 10 times easier. So I gotta clean the inside of this car. This car is dirty. So I think we're gonna do that next. And I believe that they sent me an extra pair, so I'm gonna see if these fit in Nancy's the 2022 Accord. Hopefully they fit, so we can put them in there and not have to worry about it. But I believe these are extras because I believe there's only the two here, the one dome light in the middle, which is right there, and then the one in the trunk, and then obviously they sent me the tail lights. So I think these are just gonna be extra. So if they fit in her car, we'll put them in her car. So yeah. Oh, there she is right now.
Hello.
Well, what are you doing?
I'm just leaving work. What are you doing?
Installs.
Hello. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Brandon or Dagger to let you, and I'm about to get hit by this fucking car that is not going to stop. Pay for my tuition. It's fine.
So,
oh, he's looking at me. He's still moving. He's still moving. He doesn't stop.
Babe.
What?
I was just literally talking to them right now, and I believe they sent me an extra pair, so I can put these in your car if they fit.
What? Why didn't you just lie to me? Why didn't you just be like, babe, LASFIT like loves you so much, and they just said that we've seen your videos and your girlfriend's so funny, and we said all of them for your girlfriend.
No, they only sent you two, so we'll get those put on. Shout out to LASFIT.
Nope.
But
Face clan, nope. Clan, whatever the fuck.
feel me? Probably still gonna get it dirty. Video's come to an end, and this is pretty much gonna be the last like vlog, I guess you can say, for the year. Because we're pretty much ending near the year. Huge shout out to LASFIT for sending over the lights and everything. Like, they look good. I love them. Thank you, LASFIT. Like I said, if you guys want to get yourself a set, use code. If you guys want to get yourself a set, use code Dagger10 to get 10% off on your purchase. I'm gonna leave the link and everything down below, so just go in the link. It'll be popped up and everything, so you guys don't have to search too much. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Thank you, LASFIT, again for sending those over to me. These were very, very much needed. Look at that. Perfect. Look at that. Gee. But I love it. Thank you guys so much. This is probably gonna be the last install video of the year. What the hell is that? That's pretty much gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's something very short. We have a lot of things coming for next year, so just be patient. Everything is on a back order, so everything that I try to order, I just can't even order. I can't even get anything because it's on a stupid back order. But don't worry, we'll be back soon making dope videos for you guys, making install videos. So next year I expect to grind very hard. I don't tend to slack off, but this year I did. I'm not gonna lie. But I'll explain more in the next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. Let me know if you guys purchased yourself little LASFIT lights for your dome lights, your interior lights, your trunk light, everything else. So if you guys got yourself a set, make sure you guys comment down below. Say I got me a set. You know, saying no kizzy. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I will see you guys in the next video. Dab, peace.